Have you ever wondered what happens to important responsibilities like property taxes when you inherit a home from a loved one? It is a common question, and understanding the answer can save you from unexpected financial burdens. When you inherit property, the responsibility for paying property taxes typically transfers to the new owner, which is you, the heir, or the estate. This obligation begins either when the previous owner passes away or upon the official transfer of the property title, depending on how the inheritance is handled and the specific laws of the state where the property is located. The core reason for this transfer of responsibility lies in the nature of property taxes themselves. These are taxes levied by local governments based on the assessed value of real estate, and they are always tied to the ownership of the property. The taxing authority needs to collect these funds to support local services such as schools, roads, and emergency services. Once ownership legally changes hands, the new owner becomes responsible for all associated costs, including these essential taxes. To manage this smoothly, the first step is to identify if the property is part of a probate estate or if it passes directly to you, for example, through a trust or a joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. If it is part of probate, the estate itself may pay the taxes until the property is formally distributed. If it transfers directly, you will need to ensure tax payments continue without interruption. Contacting the local tax assessor's office immediately after the passing of a loved one can help you understand the specific tax payment schedule and any deadlines you might need to meet. An important insight here is understanding the concept of a stepped-up basis for inherited property. When you inherit a home, its cost basis for tax purposes is typically reset to its market value on the date of the previous owner's death, not their original purchase price. This can significantly reduce capital gains taxes if you later decide to sell the home, but it does not affect your immediate property tax obligations, which are based on the assessed value. Taking proactive steps to understand and manage property taxes on inherited property is crucial for protecting this valuable asset and maintaining your financial stability. By knowing when the responsibility shifts and engaging with the appropriate local government offices, you can confidently navigate this process and ensure a smooth transition of ownership, securing your family's legacy for the future.